37 Union Park, and this is unit number 3, the penthouse unit. So it's one flight of stairs up to the landing where the entrance is to the apartment. It's not marked, but here it is. And that's the common area. This is the door to the unit, and it's one more flight up. I'll show you the common area a little bit. This is not common, this is actually inside the unit already. And one more flight of stairs to get to the living room. So 37 Union Park number 3 is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom apartment. And it's a duplex. So on the first floor, we have living room, which is right here. Beautiful detail throughout the property. Really gorgeous finishes. So we have living room, dining room, kitchen, and half a bath. So I'll start with the living room. Gorgeous decorative fireplace. It's pretty dark out right now because it's raining, but you still get really good natural light. It's pretty unobstructed. Beautiful views of Union Park itself. You can see one Dalton from here, the Prue. Very elegant. Here's the dining room. Great spot for formal dining, but if somebody wanted, they could probably set it up as an office space. Here we are in the kitchen. Fairly large island with the stove, gas cooking, and the kitchen is facing the back. The kitchen from this angle. And here we have a really large walk-in pantry. Excellent storage. And over here you can actually see the top floor. That's the skylight right there, and this is the second level of the duplex. So I'll show the half a bath. Oh, and here's some more closet space. There's a coat closet right as you walk in. Some more shelving units right there. And here we have, looks like a heater. And this is the half a bath with some more storage behind these sliding doors. Again, the entrance. And this is going to the second floor of the duplex. You have a couple of skylights here. There's one, there's another one. Here's the master. Another gorgeous fireplace. large walk-in closet, and a bathroom. Beautifully done renovation. Bedroom again. Very spacious. This is a king-size bed. And here's the walk-in closet. So this bedroom is also facing Union Park. So this is that opening that we saw from downstairs. And here's the second bedroom and second bathroom. This one is also quite large. Another walk-in closet. This is actually the laundry room. So really great storage throughout the apartment. And this looks like a queen-size bed. I'm actually not sure. It might be a full, but regardless, queen will fit absolutely no problem in here. And here's the second bathroom. So the downstairs with a shower, this one is a tub. And this bathroom actually connects to the laundry room, so you can access the laundry room for either side, either from the second bedroom or from this bath. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout the property, high ceilings, great light. And I'll just show the front of the building. So I'm back where the living room was, or is. Here we are again. And here's the front door to the apartment. Now we're in the common areas. And this is the front door to the building. And that's Tremont Street right there. So Tremont Street that way, you can see the pool again. Here's the entrance to the building.